In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process multiple cards in Trello using the bulk actions power-up. If you often find yourself managing a slew of tasks on Trello and wish there was a quicker, more efficient way to juggle them, then this guide is for you. We're going to walk through each step to help you efficiently handle several cards at once, saving you valuable time. First, let's start by heading over to your Trello board. Make sure you're on the board where you want to use the bulk actions power-up. Once you're there, navigate to the Power-Ups option. You'll find this in the main board menu. The Power-Ups function is like a little treasure chest of extra features that enhance your Trello experience. Next, you'll want to click on Add Power-Ups. This will open up a selection of potential power-ups you can integrate with your board. In the search bar, type in Bulk Actions and hit Search. This is the tool we'll be using to manage multiple cards with ease. Once you've found the Bulk Actions power-up, click on the Add button. This will begin the installation process. You might have to add it again by hitting another Add button that appears just to confirm. When you're all set with the addition, take some time to browse through any helpful slides or instructions provided. These usually offer great insights into how to leverage the power-up effectively. After you're done looking through these slides, go ahead and close the menu to get back to your board. Now you need to ensure everything is set up correctly by clicking on Settings. This step often involves authorizing your Trello account to fully sync with the new power-up. Click on Authorize Account and follow it up by hitting Click to Authorize to finalize this step. You'll then be asked to allow certain permissions. This is a crucial step, as it gives the power-up the access it needs to function seamlessly with your board. Once authorized, you can close this setup menu. Now with the bulk actions power-up installed and ready, click on it to start using. Upon initial use, you might need to agree to some terms, so go ahead and click on I accept. If there's an option to continue with a trial, proceed with Continue with Trial. This is essential for first-time users to explore the full capabilities of the tool. With everything in place, you're now ready to start processing multiple cards. Go to your board and select the checkboxes of the cards you intend to manage. After selecting them, choose the action you wish to apply from the available options. For instance, if you want to move these cards to another list, simply click on Move. Finally, select the list where you want these cards and hit Move. And there you have it. Those cards have now collectively found their new home via the Bulk Actions power-up. With these steps, you've unlocked a new level of efficiency for managing your tasks on Trello. Enjoy the newfound simplicity in your workflow.